Alright, next. Okay, last 2 blocks para sa red team. Yan ang mga habol ng ating green team. Ayan, assemble tayo, assemble, number 4. Okay, habol tayo.
Go, Ejay, dali, go! Bilis!
Okay, last 1 player sa green
Dali, Ejay, go!
red team. Okay, number 1. Okay, last one. Alright, we have a winner. Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin.